Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Quartzmon from Digimon Fusion Hunters. You must know, Quartzmon is the main boss and the main villain in Digimon Hunters. If you guys are interested, smash that like button. You see, Quartzmon, he's responsible for all the Digimon that are running rampant through the streets. So, Mikey, some new guy, and Ewan have to join forces and stop Quartzmon's evil plan from coming true. What they didn't realize is that one of the hunters had Quartzmon on their side. You see, when he was disguised as Astamon, and all the Digimon that the hunters have been collecting has been dwelling within him. And as they revealed, he even had Astamon's data. You see, he was the first one to be sent to the digi-quartz. And, yeah. Anyways, Quartzmon became one with the planet. It was only a matter of time before Gumdramon's evolved form, Arrestramon's superior mode, stepped in and stopped him, restoring the planet to the way he was before. We don't know when Quartzmon is going to make a return, but we'll just have to wait and see, shall we? Anyways, we're just going to draw the top half of Quartzmon, because it's really awesome looking. Okay, so I drew the head. Next up, we just gotta draw the hands. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. Finished up the 4 fingers. And next thing on the list, there's his, I'm not sure if that's where his umbilical cord used to be, but I'm not sure where he came from exactly, or what bottomless pit he was born from. But from what we told, that battle against Mega Darkness Bagramon was what brought Quartzmon to life. I mean, seriously, who does that? After all, based on his quarry, I think Quartzmon would make an excellent good guy. And who knows what he'll fuse with next. Okay, let's see. We got all 4 of his hands done. And we got his gills. Okay, there we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. Okay, man. Almost done. And there. That is how you draw Quartzmon. Pretty awesome, don't you think? And I know it took 6 minutes, but we finally got it done. So how'd you guys enjoy this video? If you've seen the short clips about Quartzmon, then you should probably realize this by now. Digimon Hunters, they never got to be released in America, but I'm sure we'll get a chance to see the Digi-Destined in English dub real soon. So cross your fingers and be sure to look to a bright future, and be sure to remind yourselves that a new season of Digimon is right around the corner. So if you want the Digimon sites to put up another season of Digimon, make sure to let them know. Till then, I will see you guys again soon. Make sure to leave a comment below if you agree or not. Anyways, that's it. Bye.